Shalom aleichem on my Assyrian dishes, friends. I'm Julian, and today we'll be making red gurgur with beef. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you will need for the red gurgur with meat. You will need 2 cups of bulgur number 3 with vermicelli pasta, 200 grams of stir-fry beef, which I've just diced, 1 onion that I've just diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, some light olive oil, and some boiling water. And this is how your red gurgur with beef should look like. Serve it with some masta, salad or tortilla and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit our website on AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Now let's give it a go. And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website. Happy cooking, everyone!